Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel My Mum's Choice. Today, we have got something exciting and lighthearted for all the soon-to-be parents out there. Are you curious to find out whether you're having a bouncing baby boy or a precious baby girl? Well, you're in for a treat because we are diving into the delightful world of old wives' tales for gender prediction. Now, remember, these tales are just for fun and not backed by science, so let's jump right in. Heart rate. First up, we have the heart rate method. According to this tale, if your little one's heart rate is racing above 140 beats per minute, it's believed you might be welcoming a sweet baby girl into your arms. But if that heart rate stays steady below 140, get ready to embrace a handsome baby boy. Cravings. Our cravings. They're like the little hints from your baby about their favorite foods. If you're reaching for sugary treats, rumor has it that a baby girl might be joining your family. But if salty and savory delights are calling your name, well, say hello to a future little boy who might just love those crunchy snacks as much as you do. Morning sickness. Now, let's chat about morning sickness. If you're experiencing some intense morning sickness, some say it's a sign of a baby girl. On the other hand, sailing through those early mornings with little to no sickness might indicate a little boy on the way. Carrying high or low. Have you ever wondered about how you're carrying your precious bundle? If that baby bump is sitting high, you might be hearing the pitter-patter of little pink feet soon. But if it's nestled lower, well, a handsome blue bundle could be on the horizon. Ring test. Now, let's talk about the intriguing ring test. Picture this, you're hanging a wedding ring on a string over your growing belly. If it sways back and forth like a pendulum, it's said that a little prince might be making his way into your life. But if it's twirling in circles, well, get ready to paint the nursery pink. Chinese gender predictor. Ready for a journey to the other side of the world? The Chinese gender predictor is a traditional chart that uses your age and the month of conception to give you a peek into your baby's gender. Glowing skin. They say that pregnancy can give you that radiant glow. If your skin is positively beaming, some say it could be a sign of a little princess on the way. Dreams. Have you been having some interesting dreams lately? If you have been dreaming about having a girl, the tale goes that a charming baby boy might be headed your way. And if your dreams are all about little boys, well, get ready to welcome a beautiful baby girl. Hair and nails. Now, let's chat about your hair and nails. If you're noticing your hair becoming thinner and your nails getting brittle, some believe you could be nurturing a lovely baby girl. On the flip side, if your hair is flowing and your nails are strong and luscious, a dashing baby boy might be making an appearance. Intuition. And finally, we have the power of a mother's intuition. Many believe that deep down, you might just know your baby's gender. If you have a strong feeling, a hunch, or an inner voice guiding you, it could be your instincts trying to tell you something wonderful. And there you have it, a fantastic journey through some captivating old wives' tales for gender prediction. Remember, these tales are all in good fun and should never replace the advice of your medical professionals. So, whether it's a baby boy or a baby girl, the true magic lies in the love and joy that comes with becoming a parent. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, take care and keep smiling.